Hello everyone, this is the second lecture of the process costing 1. In earlier lecture we studied what is a process costing account format and how to solve a practical. Right? In this lecture we are going to solve the practical number 8 with some has a missing detail. How we can solve it? Let's solve the practical number 8. What is the practical number 8? A product passes through 3 processes A, B, C. 10,000 units were introduced to process A at rupees 10 per unit. Unit introduced are given. The other direct expenses were as follows. Sundry materials, labor, direct expense. Actual output in units A, B, C. Normal wastage 3%, 5%. Here it's a question mark. So we have to find out the normal wastage of the percentage in process account C. Selling price of the normal wastage per unit is 2.5, 5 and 10. For the solving of the normal wastage percentage, one extra information is given. This is the final product was sold at rupees 51 per unit, fetching a profit of 16.2 by 3% on sales. Prepare a process account and find out the percentage of the normal wastage in process C. Here some missing amount is we have to find out the percentage of the normal wastage in process C. Let's solve it. As you all know, this is the format of the process account. Particular unit amount, particular unit and amount. This is the debit side, this is a credit side. Let's start with the unit introduced, debit side. 2 unit introduced. How much unit introduced? 10,000. 10,000 unit introduced at rupees 10. 10,000 into 10. It will become 1 lakh. Let's write down the other expenses. Sundry material 10,000, labor 50,000, direct expense 10,500. We listed all the expenses here. Now we came credit side. What is the first thing? First thing is normal wastage. What is the percentage of the normal wastage in process A? 3%. What is the percentage? 3%. 10,000, 3%. 10,000 into 3%. We got 3,000. Sorry, it's a 300. Selling price of the normal wastage per unit is 2.50. So 2.50. 300 into 2.5. 750. Amount will become 750. What is the actual production? Actual production is 9,500. That will transfer to process account B. By transfer to process account B 9,500. Right? Let's find out there is a abnormal wastage or gain is there or not. 10,000 minus 300. It's come 9,700 and actual production is 9,500. So we have a abnormal wastage of rupees 200 units. So 200 abnormal wastage account. For the amount of the abnormal wastage and transfer, we have to find out transfer price. How we can solve the transfer price? Transfer price is equals to total cost minus normal wastage selling amount. So let's total it out. 1 lakh plus 10,000 plus 50,000 plus 10,500. 1,70,500 minus 750 upon units is 10,000, normal wastage units is 300. Let's solve it. 1,70,500 minus 750. 1,69,750 divided by 10,000 minus 300, 9,700. So 1,69,750 divided by 9,700. Transfer price will be 17.5. Transfer price will be 17.5. Right? So 17.5. Here also 17.5. 17.5 into 200. 3,500. 9,500 into 17.5. 1,66,250. Right? Let's close the account. One lakh 70,500. 1,70,500. 10,000. Here is. Let's transfer in the process account B. Process account B. To transfer from process account A. How much units? 9,500 into rupees 1,66,250. Right? This is a unit introduced for the process account B. Let's write down the other expenses: sundry material, labor and direct expense. Sundry material 15,000, labor 80,000, direct expense 11,875. We have write down all the costs in the debit side. Let's move to the credit side. What is the first thing? Normal wastage. How much percentage? 5%. 9,500 into 5%. 475. 475. What is the selling price of the normal wastage? 5 rupees. 475 into 5. 2375. Amount is 2375. Right? What is the actual production of the process account B? Actual product output or actual production is 9,100 by transfer to process account C. Let's check it out. There is a abnormal wastage or abnormal gain. 9,500 minus 475. There is a 19,270. Actual production is 9,100. So we get answer in the minus. That means we have a abnormal gain of units 75. So we write down in the debit side abnormal gain 75. For the abnormal gain and the transfer goods, we have to find transfer price. So let's find out. Transfer price is equals to total cost. Total cost is 1,66,250 plus 15,000 plus 80,000 plus 11,875. It came 2,73,125 minus amount of the normal wastage 2375 divided by units 9,500 minus normal wastage units 475. Let's solve it. 73125 minus 2375 270750 upon 9500 minus 475 9025 270750 divided by 9025 30. Transfer price is 30. So here we take as a 30, here we take 30. 9100 into 30, 9100 into 30, 2,73,000, and here 75 into 30, 2250. Let's close. Here is 9500 plus 75, 9575. It's come 9575. Total is 2,73,125. It's come 2,73,127. Let's prepare a process account C. In process account C, first thing is unit introduced, that means transfer from process account B. Transfer from process account B 9100 units at rupees 2,73,000. Right? Other expenses, first is sundry material 5,000, labor 65,000, direct expense 20,090. We write down all the expenses. From this side we first write down normal wastage. For the normal wastage we don't have a percentage, right? You can see that there is a missing. We have to find out this percentage amount, right? Actual production is given 8,100. So transfer to, this is the last process, that's why we write as a transfer to finished goods account 8,100. Right? We don't have a normal wastage percentage, so we can't find out unit and as well as amount. For the solving the normal wastage, one hint is given. What is the hint? The final product was sold at rupees 51. That means selling price is given. Selling price is 51 per unit. Fetching a profit of 16.2/3% on sales. Let's understand with the working notes. Selling price is given 51 rupees. Profit percentage is given 16.2/3. 16.2/3%. We can write like this, 16.667%. Right? Profit is given on sales. Right? So selling price, that means sales is given, profit is given, so we can easily find out profit. So let's find out profit. Profit is equals to selling price into profit percentage. What is selling price? Selling price is 51, percentage is 16.667%. So 51 into 16.667%. We get profit of rupees 8.5. So profit is equals to 8.5. Right? We have a selling price, we have a profit, so we can easily find out the cost price, right? So cost price is equals to selling price minus profit. So selling price is 51, profit is 8.5, cost price will be 42.5. 42.5. What is the cost price? 42.5. That means what is this? This is a transfer price, right? So we get transfer price at rupees 42.5. Right? So we get this amount 8100 into 42.5. 3,44,250. Right? But still we don't have the normal wastage units and amount. Right? હવે નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજ ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે આપણે સપોઝ કરીએ. સપોઝ નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ એક્સ. બરાબર છે. હવે આપણી પાસે ટ્રાન્સફર પ્રાઇસ છે. અત્યાર સુધી આપણે ટ્રાન્સફર પ્રાઇસ કઈ રીતે ફાઇન્ડ કરતા હતા? તો કે ટ્રાન્સફર પ્રાઇસ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ ટોટલ કોસ્ટનો બધી કોસ્ટ ટોટલ કરતા હતા માઇનસ નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજની અમાઉન્ટ માઇનસ કરતા હતા. પણ આપણી પાસે અત્યારે એ નથી. પણ પ્રાઇસ આપેલી હશે. જનરલી આપણે શું કરતા હતા? નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજ યુનિટ ઇન્ટુ પ્રાઇસ કરીએ તો અમાઉન્ટ મળતી હતી. બરાબર છે. પણ આપણે નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજને અત્યારે એક્સ અઝ્યુમ કરીએ છીએ અને આપણી પાસે પ્રાઇસ છે 10. બરાબર છે. તો નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજની પ્રાઇસ છે 10 અને આપણી પાસે યુનિટ્સ નથી. તો યુનિટને કઈ રીતે સ્ટેન્ડ કરશું? 10x. બરાબર છે. ડિનોમિનેટરમાં શું લખતા હતા? તો કે ટોટલ યુનિટ્સ. બરાબર છે. તો અહીંયા ટોટલ યુનિટ્સ કેટલા છે? 9100 માઇનસ શું કરતા હતા આપણે? અહીંયા નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજના યુનિટ્સ. પણ અહીંયા નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજના યુનિટ્સ નથી એટલે આપણે શું લખશું? એક્સ. આપણી પાસે ટોટલ કોસ્ટ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકીએ આ કોલમનો ટોટલ. તો લેટ્સ ટેક ઇટ 2,73,000 plus 5,000 plus 65,000 plus 20,090 rupees. We get 3,63,090. ટ્રાન્સફર પ્રાઇસ આપણે ઓલરેડી ફાઇન્ડ કરી લીધી. કેટલી છે? 42.5. ટોટલ કોસ્ટ વિલ બી 3,63,090 minus 10x, 10 into x, 10x upon 9100 minus x. બરાબર છે. અને આપણે સોલ્વ કરશું. ડિનોમિનેટરમાં છે, આ સાઈડ આવે તો મલ્ટીપ્લાયમાં. સો 42.5 9100 minus x. We get 3,63,090 minus 10x. Let's multiply this and this. 42.5 into 9100. We get 3,86,750 minus 42.5 into x. So 42.5x is equals to 3,63,090 into minus 10x. Right? This is a plus. When come this side it will become minus, and this is a minus. When become this side it will become plus. So 3,86,750 minus 3,63,090 is equals to 42.5x minus 10x. Let's minus 23,660 is equals to 32.5x. Here x is with 32.5 is in multiplication. When it comes this side it will become in denominator. So x is equals to 23660 upon 32.5. X will be 728. આન્સર શું આવ્યું? x ઇઝ ટુ 728. આપણે x કોને સપોઝ કર્યું હતું? તો કે નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજના યુનિટ્સને, નોર્મલ વેસ્ટેજના યુનિટ્સને. તો લેટ્સ પુટ ઇન ધ process account C. Normal wastage amount is 278 at rupees 10. 7280. Let's find out there is abnormal wastage or gain. There is a 8372, but actual production is 8100. 272 we have abnormal wastage. Here we don't find out the transfer price because we have already find it out 42.5. So 42.5. 11,560. Let's close the account. 9100, 9100, 3,63,090 and 3,63,090. Understood? Hold the work note. This is some with have some missing information, right?